Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called The Rise of the Artisan Chef. In a world where fast food and mass production once reigned supreme, a culinary renaissance is unfolding. The artisan chef, a master of both tradition and innovation, is at the heart of this gastronomic revival. These culinary artisans are dedicated to crafting dishes that celebrate the purity of ingredients, the nuance of flavors, and the art of presentation. Their kitchens are laboratories of love, where food is not just sustenance, but a symphony of the senses. Artisan chefs are characterized by their meticulous attention to detail and their commitment to sourcing the finest, often local ingredients. They shun the shortcuts of industrialized food production, opting instead for time-honored techniques that enhance the natural flavors and textures of their ingredients. This movement is about more than just food. It's about reconnecting with the roots of cooking and appreciating the journey from farm to fork. The rise of the artisan chef is a reaction to the homogenization of global cuisine. In an era of convenience foods, these chefs are rebels, championing the cause of authenticity and craftsmanship. They bring a personal touch to every dish, often forging direct relationships with farmers, fishermen, and foragers to ensure the highest quality and sustainability. This revolution is not confined to elite restaurants with exclusive price tags. Artisan chefs are making their mark in bistros, food trucks, and home kitchens. They're inspiring a new generation of food lovers to take pride in the preparation and enjoyment of meals, encouraging us to slow down and savor each bite. One such artisan chef is Emma Rousseau, known for her dedication to French rustic cuisine. Emma's philosophy is simple. Food should tell a story. Her dishes are a reflection of her childhood in the French countryside, where meals were a communal celebration of life's bounty. Today, she runs a charming bistro in a bustling city, where she creates dishes that are as heartfelt as they are delicious. To bring a touch of artisan craftsmanship to your kitchen, try this rustic ratatouille recipe inspired by Chef Emma Rousseau. This classic Provençal dish is a celebration of fresh vegetables slowly cooked to perfection. Ingredients: 1 large aubergine, diced, 2 courgettes, sliced, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 yellow bell pepper, diced, 1 onion, finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 4 large tomatoes, diced, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of herbs de Provence, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh basil to garnish. Instructions: prepare the vegetables. Place the diced aubergine in a colander, sprinkle with salt, and let it sit for 30 minutes to draw out moisture. Rinse and pat dry. Cook the base in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Heat half the olive oil over a medium heat. Add the onions and garlic, sautéing until translucent. Add the veggies. Add the aubergine, courgettes, and bell peppers to the pot. Cook, stirring occasionally until the vegetables begin to soften, about 10 minutes. Simmer to perfection. Add the tomatoes, herbs de Provence, salt and pepper. Stir well to combine. Reduce the heat to low. Cover and let simmer for about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally until the vegetables are tender and the flavours meld together. Finish and serve. Adjust seasoning if needed, garnish with fresh basil leaves before serving, and enjoy. Serve hot or at room temperature with crusty bread or as a side dish. This rustic ratatouille embodies the spirit of the artisan chef, simple, authentic, and brimming with flavour. As you chop, saute, and simmer, you'll feel the connection to culinary traditions that span generations. Embrace the artisan chef within you. Whether you're whipping up a hearty stew, baking rustic bread, or crafting a delicate pastry, remember that the essence of artisan cooking lies in passion, patience, and a profound respect for the ingredients. Happy cooking! And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.